All right, some key points to installing this unit. Number one, start with a level sill. And then set your head, which is directly in line with the center of the sill. Making sure that it's even with each end. And once your head is screwed fast to the correct height, we'll have to remove this section to load the panels. And just for reference, this is looking from the exterior in, just like you'll be looking at the drawings that you'll receive. Okay, so when we load our panels, we get a panel that'll have a trolley on one side, one end, and a small idler wheel at the bottom. So, you load your trolley in the top, try to align the bottom, get the bottom idler in the sill. If you turn the panel sideways, and then you can slide the panel all the way through. Then you'll have to turn it. And clamp it so it doesn't move away from the jam. It'll have to be in this position in order to load the second panel and attach the hinges, which will be on the outside. So your first two panels will be these two. And it'll be the same process for all 7 panels, with the exception of these 4 being attached. Then when you bring in your number 5 panel, you'll have to slide it in and attach it so it doesn't move, just like panel 1 or number 8 according to the drawings. And then you'll proceed to load and install the remaining panels the same as you did for the first 4. So once all those panels are up and attached, we can go back to putting the head up. But before we install the head, we have to insert the adjustable stop. And then you can put the removable section back in, making sure that it's still in line with the center line of the head and sill. Once the panels are in, you can install the jam. Again, centered in the unit between the head and the sill. And then you can hang the swing door. And then to adjust the rest of the panels, we'll Open the first four. Lock them in place. And we'll just slide them down so they're about even with the end of the unit, leaving about 3/8 of an inch. Between the end of the panel and your substrate. Then we'll use the adjustable stop at the top in the head. This will help adjust the placement of these 3 panels. If you're too close to the other panels, you can adjust the stop to set that distance. And then we'll lock these in place. And then we can check the swing door. Then you can adjust the jam if needed for plumb and spacing. There will also be a small strike in the sill that this will lock into, that will hold your distance so you have sufficient room to swing your door open and closed.